Hola everyone, Baron and Brent Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. And I know you have been dreaming of this. Look at these palm trees. Look at that golf course, DENARAU golf course right there. Beautiful waterway. And you've been looking for a great rental property because you're thinking of bringing your family here. No worry, no hurry, Fiji time. You want that lifestyle island living? Well, guess what? We have it right here. And you could be sitting right there. So walk with me and we're going to teach you a little bit more about this great rental home that we have. 4 bedrooms. We're in the upper master suite here. So if you're looking for something decadent for mom and dad with the air cons, look at these vaulted ceilings. Oh, man, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful architecture here. So this is a master suite upstairs. Lots of storage. And I know that's important, right? But again, you're in Fiji. What are you going to be hanging up here? Maybe your bathing suits, some casual bula shirts or Hawaiian shirts, as we call them in the States, but they're really bula shirts here in Fiji. Great desk for, put a little makeup mirror there. Nice glass block. Notice the natural light coming in here. And then there's just gorgeous, clean, modern bathroom with the double sinks, that rain shower and shower wand tiled throughout. So low maintenance. And if you need help when you get here to Fiji, even if you're renting a property from us, we do property management. We can also help you getting the house cleaners. We can also help you with shopping. So we actually have a lot of stuff in our concierge list, and that includes food delivery. So like things like salad, fresh grown fruits and vegetables. And of course, a lot of fresh fish here in Fiji as well. So you're going to want to take advantage of all these things that we have to offer here, especially at Professionals FIJI Real Estate, the #1 real estate agency and the only global real estate agency in Fiji. So here we are in the great room. And for those of you who don't know, this is Pacific Green furniture made right here in Fiji with palm wood. So all those palm trees you see out there, this is actually made from palm trees, and it's sustainable because these palm trees grow so well and so quickly that you're not damaging the environment, and it's sustainable, beautiful imported leather. So these things, when you see this in a property in DENARAU, this is top level here. And of course, smart flat screen TV, all the streaming that you need to do, really cute breakfast area. Keep in mind when you see the homes, if you want to alter anything, move some things around, we can help arrange that for you. So for instance, I know myself, I would love to enclose this and maybe put a desk in there so that I can have some great views of the golf course while I'm making some calls. And you can see there's one of the golf carts just going right there. Maybe they got a hole in one. Let's take a look out there. And you can see some of the nice sitting areas. And I'm going to take you out here so you can take a peek. There they are. There's probably some of our friends out there. So look at that. That could be you right there. Golfing on that lounger, sitting there, enjoying some friends with a bottle of wine or some Fijian rum. And let me just swing this around so you can see how beautiful this is. Wouldn't you love this rental property? This thing is just spectacular. I mean, the colors. Look at the vibrant greens and, of course, that beautiful blue tiled lap pool. There's that master suite with a private veranda up there. And you can see even the sides of the yards here just perfectly immaculate. Great sitting area. And you have some nice little lighting that they put in here, too. So at night, light that up and get some candles and some good cooking. And some great sitting areas here. So this is a great entertaining home too. And for those of you with kids, another thing that we find really great is you have, of course, the island, the granite countertop, gas burner stoves, all these high-end Fisher Paykel appliances. But if you see the vantage point where I'm looking right now, if you're in the kitchen cooking, you can see the swimming pool and, of course, all this open plan concept here. So if you do have kids, you can cook and feel good that your kids aren't going to run off and do something crazy. Double dishwasher, double sink, lots of great amenities here for you. Great big storage here. And this also comes with the double garage that's enclosed. And then, of course, down here you got the big double utility sinks and great extra storage in your laundry room. So find out more. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051 and try to lock this up before somebody gets it. The tenant just moved out, and this will definitely not last. And you can see there's some over here, great vanity mirror with some built-ins. And there's that upstairs master suite that we came from. Nice little sitting area, read some books. And then again, bedroom and bathroom here, bedroom and bathroom here, bedroom and bathroom there, and then just here as well. So 4 bedrooms, beautiful entryway and gorgeous golf course views, and this handcrafted door. So we look forward to hearing from you soon. Go to professionalsfiji.com or call us at +679 999 2051. And if this doesn't tick all the boxes for you, go to that website and you're going to see all of the other listings that we have. And for whatever reason, if we don't have what you're looking for on the website, my team and I will go out and find you what you're looking for, whether it's here on the main island of VT Levu in DENARAU, near Port DENARAU Marina, about 15 minutes from the international airport, or if you want to be up Vanua Levu, which is the 2nd largest island, where Savu Savu is located, or perhaps the Garden Island of Taveuni, or any of the beautiful islands here in Fiji. You let us know what you need, and we will make it happen for you. So I'm going to have a seat right here, and that's your seat, and we're going to sit here and wait for you to get here. Have a beautiful day. We look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Vinaka.